Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening Ads Manager and wiring up the pixel so you can measure conversions. Once done, define a tight audience, age, location, interest, or lookalike, and pick a single objective like conversions or app installs to keep optimization focused. Make sure to select your ad format early. Vertical 9:16 delivers higher view rates on TikTok. Then write a one-sentence creative brief that states the offer, the single action you want, and the hook you'll show in the first 3 seconds. You should film vertical at 9:16 with clean audio and natural light. Aim for an attention-grabbing hook in the first 3 seconds and keep the main message under 15 seconds. Once filmed, edit with quick cuts, readable captions, and a native-sounding track to blend into the For You feed. Make sure the CTA overlay appears in the final third. After that, export 3 distinct variations that swap hook, copy, or thumbnail so you can A/B test which creative elements drive the best engagement. You'll now build the campaign, choose budget, bidding lowest cost or target CPA, schedule and placements, then upload your creatives with clear CTAs. Once live, monitor CTR, conversion rate, CPA, and ROAS daily. Pause underperformers only after you have enough data. When scaling, increase budget gradually and duplicate winning ad sets rather than blasting one. If performance falters, troubleshoot by tweaking the first 3 seconds, swapping thumbnails, or narrowing the audience. Those small changes usually fix low CTR or poor conversion problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.